If you're finding it difficult to sell AI to clients, you're probably going about it the wrong way. And most people get this wrong. It's not about selling AI. What you have to do is demo AI to the clients. If they can see it working in front of their eyes, the penny drops and it's just an easy sell from there. So where everyone else on the planet is building the best AI widget, the best whatever tool that is, we've decided to do something better. What we've done is flip this whole thing on its head, and we've built the best AI demo tool we think on the planet. It's called the Sales Wingman, and what it does is it shows clients on a call, on a Zoom call, on a Google Meet or whatever it is, how AI works and how it's going to totally transform that business. Because when they can see AI and what it can do for their business, and when they can literally play with it, that's when things change, okay? So what I've actually done in the video that I'm just about to show you is I've scraped a pretend client's website, and then I've built an amazing AI demo for that client, and then I've jumped on a pretend Zoom call and demoed that to the client. And I've shown you everything from build to implementation to getting live with the clients, and it takes just a few minutes. You're going to love that. So without further ado, please enjoy. Hey everyone, I've just been in DMs with a person inside my school community, and I was explaining to him how, we can use the Sales Wingman to be able to put the main offer in front of them that we always talk about, which is the offer of the century. It's making money from customers' old leads or old customers. Okay, and he was talking about one of his clients, which is, I think it's a macaroon company, those French chocolatey things. I thought I can't share the details of that client with you, but let's do this for a similar type business that is into high-end chocolate, okay? And for example, free delivery on orders over £100. That's £100 on chocolate. This is a big industry, right? This place has 3 different locations and they make money, okay? And I bet they've never sent an SMS out to their old buyers, okay? They might have 5,000 old customers, 10,000 old customers that want to buy chocolate again. This is not a difficult sell, okay? People love chocolate. It's very nice. Let me show you how quickly we can do this, okay? So imagine you've got this client. You're working with them for a while and you reach out to them, say, listen, we've developed this AI tool and I've built you something that is going to make you money from all of your old customers using AI, okay? I don't want to tell you too much more just now, but what I want to do is show you on a Zoom call how this works. Can you give me just 15 minutes? We're going to build this and I think you're going to enjoy what we've built. Okay, they say obviously yes, because you're the client, they know I can trust you already. When they say yes, you schedule in the Zoom call and then you spend half an hour, 15 minutes building the demo for them. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that now. All right, so let's say we've got this client. Copy the URL, then we're going to create AI agent. And we're going to do this for database reactivation to make more sales from their existing clients. Okay, so you've obviously got speed to lead and 48-hour follow-up, but we're going to do database reactivation. Okay, we're going to call the name of the AI agent Sarah, which is fine. Now we've pulled all the details. Okay, the best match is handmade luxury chocolate gifts, including boxes and truffles. I'm going to keep it simple and say luxury chocolate gift boxes. Okay. Obviously, you'd speak to the client. You might know what their best-selling product is that people buy the most of, that's got the most profit margin, and you would start with that. But I'm just guessing here, obviously. Okay, so we're going to go with luxury chocolate gift boxes. Okay, the next page is we go for personality, whether it's a sales-driven conversation, reply length, all of that stuff we can test here. It's all in the Sales Wingman. I'm going to just leave it like that and move on to the next stage. We're almost finished, by the way. Okay, so the company name, they're in the UK, they're in that industry. The Sarah's pitching the chocolate boxes, which is good. If they want to call back, I was looking for their phone number before, but I've got their number here. All right, so I'm going to grab their phone number. We're going to add it here, and then we're going to give the open times. I can literally copy and paste that here. This is just if the customer's asking. The GPT model, we can choose whatever we want, but let's just stick with 5.1 now. You can test this. All right, and then we go to the bits that we amend, okay? Hi, it's Sarah from Rumsy's Handmade Chocolates. Is that the same name who was interested in gift boxes, okay? This is different, okay, because we're looking to resell their customers who bought some chocolate from us. Some yummy chocolate from us. Okay, easy. Nice and simple. The consumer, the customer is going to think this is actually Sarah. Okay, this is not AI. They don't know this. A lot of people, especially in this market, probably the older demographic, and they're going to think they're getting a message from Sarah. Okay, and this is the magic. Okay, my manager asked me to reach out, but I hate annoying people with unwanted phone calls. Are you still interested in luxury chocolate gift boxes? We need to tweak this too. I hate annoying people with unwanted phone calls. Do you want to buy some more? We have, let's say it was for Mother's Day, okay? Mother's Day is just gone. We have some Mother's Day specials. Mother's Day specials on right now, okay? There we go. These are 4 qualification questions that the Sales Wingman is spitting out, but not that important. On the coffee date, you might want to impress the client with it, going back and forth and doing all of that. But really, once we landed the client, we would just prompt it to be able to send a link to the sales page for people to make the sale. Okay, super simple, super easy. I'm going to leave it as it is right now. We just check the business description, the FAQs, all that stuff's done. Then we go next, and then we go create SMS agent. Okay, and we're done. So if we wanted to share this with the client, let's pretend this is done on, we want to simulate it on WhatsApp. So we'd say to the client, we can do this on WhatsApp. So a lot of your people would prefer using WhatsApp. We find that works really well. I want to show you what this looks like. Copy the link. And by the way, before the coffee date, I'd be testing this out to make sure it doesn't break. Let's presume that you've done that and things are looking all good. And by the way, it's not going to break, but just make sure it's working properly. And then on the coffee date, hello, Mr. Rumsy. Let's say his name's Brett. Can we just grab your name and let's pretend that you're someone that's bought chocolate from us before. Okay, so his name's Brett. Okay. Hey, it's Sarah from Rumsy's Handmade Chocolate. Is that the same Brett who bought some yummy chocolate from us? Yes, it is. Okay, my manager asked me to reach out, but I hate annoying people with unwanted phone calls. Do you want to buy some more? We have some Mother's Day specials on right now. Oh, yes, please. Yes, please. Okay. Great. We can sort that for you. What gift size are you thinking about at the moment? Something like 9, 16, or 25? 25. Let's just see where this goes. Do you have a preference on the mix? So there we go, pralines. Obviously, if they had a special Mother's Day offer, we'd figure out what that was and we'd build it into the prompt. It doesn't take long at all. Lovely. Any dietary? No. Okay, these are the qualification questions. This is just amazing. All right, how many of the 25 do you need? Is it going to one address? All of it. Can I buy for 3 boxes? I'm greedy. I am a bit greedy. 3 boxes, absolutely fine. Will they be going to the same delivery address? Yes. Okay. And it's going on. Obviously, it's asking a lot more questions. We'd be just dropping a link and moving on in the real world scenario. But this is a really good way to impress the client, obviously. Okay, so that's really how fast it is. Okay, what we do next is go back in here. And this is the Sales Wingman Lite. All right, so the Lite will just do the demo, and then after that, you can go into high level and take the prompt. Where is the prompt? So we can go in here and we can grab the prompt if you would like. Okay, we can expand it, the raw prompt. There it is. Okay, so you can take that and go and build it out. But in the real world, If you've got the full version of Sales Wingman, which is what you've got inside Roya, which is my program, then you've got the import to high level button. Okay, import the speed to lead Database Reactivation AI agent, and you can just import it literally straight in. The next thing you need to do is grab a CSV file of all of your Rumsey's old customers, clean it up a little bit, upload it into high level, press go, and then you're going to start making sales for this business. This is very, very, very simple business model, very easy to sell, and it's an amazing foot in the door to be able to sell other AI services like voice AI or reputation management or speed to lead or whatever it might be that you're doing with AI. I hope that makes sense. Very simple, very fast, very easy. I'll speak to you soon. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that video and you've seen how easy it is to be able to build an AI demo and blow the socks off any client that you're able to get on a Zoom call, which is actually incredibly easy. So if you want to get access to this demo tool, it's called the Sales Wingman, as I said. I talk all about it in my free school group. It's called the AI Automation Agency Ninjas. There's going to be a link below in the description box. Please click it, join up, and you'll be able to chat and see how this tool works. Take care.